In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how I reset our garden and got the soil ready for a new crop. About to start a whole new garden. I wanna grow some okra and I wanna grow some cucumbers because this time of the year is a good time to grow it here in Miami. And it's good to grow these plants on this side of the moon, which is something that I'm learning about this year. You wanna plant in accordance with the moon cycle. So I got until the 18th of this month to drop these seeds, and it's the perfect window of time to drop seeds. But look, this is the garden that I grew. We got tomatoes out of here. We got yard-long green beans. We got a bunch of cucumbers. We got the jalapeno peppers. Look, this is our last little final harvest of these jalapeno peppers. And I'm gonna take all this out, right? So you see what it's looking like. Take a look. And I'm about to change it up just like this. There it is. We done, man. It was a low-key mission, but we got it done. It took a couple hours. The first thing I did, I pulled the plant stands up, and then I cut the plants, all the pepper plants and tomato plants, from the base of the plant. So what I did, I left the roots in the ground because I heard it's better to do that because that's nutrients for the next batch of plants that you grow, you know what I mean? So then I pulled the weeds out. Then I took all the plants that I cut out and I put it up for compost. Then what I did, I made some fertilizer. So I blended up some comfrey and I used the pepper plants, the bell pepper plants and jalapeno pepper plants and all of that. Blended all that up with some rainwater. And then I put the compost down. Got it all over the top of the garden to just give the soil some more nutrients. And then I took that same fertilizer that I blended up and we gave it back to the ground, man. We put all that extra nutrients down into the soil and we're gonna let that sit for 24 hours. And then tomorrow I'm gonna plant these okra seeds and I'm gonna plant these cucumber seeds along the back of this garden like this, man. Listen, the more I grow, the more I see everything I need is free. That's why I wrote my book, The More We Grow, The More We'll See Everything We Need Is Free, because it really is. Every part of this process, the creator of all things gave to us for free. You feel me? We just gotta learn how to start working with the elements that was given to us. Listen, if you gotta go to start growing food and beneficial plants, this book will help. I got our website link underneath my profile picture. Prayers up, blessings up.